Hey there, Curtis here from Inkbox. So a few months ago, we made a video with a girl named Vanessa. She tested out a tattoo that meant a lot to her, and then a few weeks later, she got it done for real.
The cool thing about tattoos is that they only have as much meaning as you attach to them. Maybe you just feel like getting a tattoo, or maybe there's an artist that you really like that you want a tattoo from. And that was exactly the case with Vanessa.
Hi, my name is Vanessa. I work at Inkbox, and right now I am a fulfillment coordinator, but I am moving on to working on the custom coordinator. I got my first tattoo when I was 14 or 15 years old. So one of my friends did it. Probably would have been nice to have Inkbox for that.
Chinatown Stropke came into the brand new Inkbox tattoo studio, and our good friend Vanessa wanted a tattoo by him. But first, just to be safe, she decided to test it out with Inkbox first. Now before we get into all the fun stuff, I sat down with Vanessa and asked her some questions about tattoos. Questions like, hey Vanessa, have you seen any changes in the tattoo industry in the past few years?
Like before it used to be like really colorful tattoos and like really big things that were very popular. And now I've noticed like more simpler line work and stuff like that has kind of become more tattoo industry. So it's kind of nice to watch it change.
Now with all these awesome designs to choose from, I was wondering why Vanessa picked the one that she did. So here's what I said. Hey Vanessa, why'd you pick that one?
Yeah, I really liked how the lines were completely like around the box of it. It wasn't completely like boxed in. There was like parts that are open, which is kind of nice. And then I liked the red because I have some red in my tattoos, so it kind of worked together with it.
Are you excited? Are you nervous?
Super excited.
So a few days later,
when the tattoo was fully developed,
I wanted to check in with her to see how she was feeling about the tattoo.
So I love the tattoo. I'm super excited to get it done. After trying it out though, I've realized that I kind of want to do it on the opposite leg, so this leg's not so full, and that way I can kind of fill up the other leg too.
And the week after, Chinatown Stropke came into the studio.
The experience was amazing. It helped me kind of decide where I wanted to put the tattoo and where I would be happy with it. And Inkbox kind of helped because it gave me like a 2-week period of living with the tattoo, so I kind of knew if I would actually like it in the future. And I love it. Yeah, super excited that Chinatown Stropke came to town because I can't go out to Vancouver, so it gave me a great opportunity to get tattooed by an artist I really love.